So today I am here to talk about my demonstrative speech. My teammates are me myself Rakesh VINCENT, Sharan Suklam Ahtma Lingam, DHIWAHAR MANIVANAN, NANTHINI MATHIYARASAN and THARISINY KALIDASAN. So the title that we have chose is How to Make Any DIY. The DIY that we are going to do today is a dream catcher. So before going into how to make a dream catcher, let us see what is a dream catcher. Dreamcatcher firstly introduced in native countries' cultures. Dreamcatcher is made of sacred things like beads and feathers.
Hi guys, I'm going to explain what are the materials should gather to make the dream catcher. First of all, you should select a metal or wooden wood. This is because the pre-made metal or wooden woods are really easy to making the dream catcher, whereas the size of the hook is really dependent on how big you want to do. However, if you are the first beginner, you can use 5 to 8 inch, that means 30 cm to 20 cm. That is really easy for you all. The second thing is use COD, lace or ribbon to wrap the hook. The third thing is choose string for the web. You want to use the string that is strong but flexible. Artificial new hemp cord, wax nylon string or silk thread all going to work.
Hello everyone. The materials that listed by our friend Darshini are the traditional way to do dream catcher, but for making DIY dream catcher we are prefer to use mounting board hoops instead using wooden or metal hoops. Okay, we are using colorful pipe cleaners instead of wool. Firstly, holding the DIY cleaner, which is usually used for handicraft items. Wrap it around the hook. When you are wrapping the DIY pipe cleaner, make sure there are no spaces between the wrapping DIY pipe cleaner. Continue wrapping the DIY pipe cleaner around the hook. Wrap the DIY pipe cleaner all the way around the hook until back to the starting point. After finish DIY pipe cleaner around the hook, just give some on the DIY pipe cleaner at the end. Make sure that the DIY pipe cleaner wrapped neatly around the hook. Thank you.
Now we are moving on to the next step, which is weaving the web. Firstly, tie the string on the top of the circle. Tie double or triple knot to ensure that the string is secured. Then, working clockwise, stretch the string to a spot about 1 inches over on the hook. Then loop the string on the hook and back over itself to create a hitch. Make sure to pull the string tight to secure it before moving on the next loop. Do not pull the string too hard because it may destroy the shape of the dream catcher. Continue looping the string around the entire frame until you reach the top of the hook where we started. The number of loops should be an odd number. Then we have to create a second layer of web where we have to loop the string to the first line of the strap. We have to loop it around the string and back over itself to create a hitch like we did before. Moving on to the next step, we have to continue weaving the web until a small circle forms in the middle of the dream catcher. As we weave the web, the circle gets smaller and smaller. Once we done that action, we have to tie double or triple knot to ensure the string is secured.
Hello everyone, I'm Suklam Lingam. Now we are in the final part of this video, which is how to decorate the DIY dream catcher. When I'm searching for some ready-made feathers, I could not find in any shops near Tanjung. So I decided to do some handmade feathers using satin ribbon, pipe cleaners, beads, wool and a marker. First, paste the pipe cleaner on the center part of the satin ribbon to give some support. Then color it with a marker if you wish to make it as a dual color. Then cut the two stitched part of the ribbon to strip the vertical threads to make the horizontal threads looks like a real feather. Cut the edges of the ribbon to make them look really nice as a feather shape. Add some beads to decorate and put a strong knot on the top of the dream catcher for hanging purpose. Thank you.
Hi everyone. So, before do this dream catcher, my team has discussed well. We discussed through Google Meet, where we brainstormed the ideas to make a good dream catcher, and we also discussed our part very well to avoid someone from our team overdo their part or overdo our work. During the process of making a dream catcher, each of us do a proper plan to avoid making wrong in the process of making a dream catcher. After the making of a dream catcher, I would say that my team has gave a good cooperation and they made very well. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, now I'm going to tell about my reflection during making this dream catcher. Actually, I'm so happy with my group members. This is because, as we all know, that we cannot conduct this assignment through face to face, right? So we should conduct this assignment through online. So that time we facing some internet connection problems. Even though we facing that problem, still we can make a good video. This is all because of my group members' commitments. Yeah, I really want to appreciate them. On the other side, according to our assignments, we are taking Dreamcatcher. Actually, I love Dreamcatcher, but I don't know how to do that. After doing this assignment, I really learned some steps to do the Dreamcatcher. And thank you very much, sir, for giving this kind of assignments. Because this is really interesting to do and we are really enjoy to do these assignments. Thank you.
Hello to everyone. First of all, I like to thank to my lecturer, Sir Ramesh, because he gave the assignment to us. So from this assignment, my team and I learned a lot of things. First of all, I learned how to do a dream catcher. Second of all, I learned how to make a dream catcher without the tradition, with this modern way, not a traditional way. Then I'm so thankful to my group mates, where they are so active while doing this assignment. So they all support me, okay, and then we all have we all done our part very well, and I'm thanked to them, and I'm thanked to my lecturer, and I'm thanked to all of you.
First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Ramesh for being a good mentor for us and my friends because they are so cooperative while doing this task. From this video, I get many benefits. Firstly, I know how to do a dream catcher because doing a dream catcher is really difficult and challenging. But when I doing this assessment, I feel that doing or making a dream catcher is very fun and easy. The things we are used also we can get easily at the normal stores. Teammates also very cooperative because during this MCO times we are not able to see each other. We are contacted each other via phone, Google Meets. But from that also they are giving a good spirit and cooperation to finish this task successfully. Finally, I would like to thank everyone for giving a good opportunity to know new things.
Hi. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Ramesh Dayanandan our EP lecturer who gave this kind of useful assignments. Then I would like to thank my dear teammates who really available for me to meet me through Google Meet anytime. So it makes me easy to teach them the procedure of making a dream catcher. The problem that I faced when doing this dream catcher is when it comes to dream catcher, everyone's thought is about the feathers, but where I could not find any feathers near Tanjung Malim. So in any shop near Tanjung Malim. So this is makes me to search any alternative way to overcome this problem. So this is my problem that I faced. That's all.